we're back with another Tahoe video. Today we are going to be doing the second modification to the Tahoe, and that is going to be replacing the busted headlights. Alright, Chase is here.
What's up, guys?
And he's going to be helping me with the modification today of changing my headlights. Hopefully it's going to be easy.
Drum roll, please.
Okay.
Pre-rips.
Oh, I don't know if I can actually.
Muscle.
Oh, yeah.
Muscle them. Alright, so we're going from that. Dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun.
The clears. Which, like I said, we're trying it out because it is going to go Stormtrooper. That's what she really wants. But since it's got all this other chrome on there, and honestly, these were only $100, we figured we'd give these a shot and see.
We're going to check them out.
They look pretty crispy.
Woo.
It's going to look good. So, time to get to taking her apart. I'll grab this.
We're starting with the busted headlight. We have a 10 mil and we need to take off these 2 bolts and loosen the grill.
All right, we also have some down here. Pull the fender back, or the bumper back apparently, to get the headlight out, which is lame, but I'm gonna get the push pins out.
Then you need your little baby 7 mil. Turn the tire. Okay. I say okay a lot.
We gotta get you some LEDs next. The intelligence ain't looking good. Too bad.
Okay. Oh, that's nerve-wracking. Pull them sleeves up.
Well, I'll have to rip it out of here.
Oh man, I thought I got it. It's back on the little thing again. You got it. Okay.
Ooh, yeah. All right.
Nice.
You got some plugs back here. Well, it's not all the way out.
Oh, yay. Look at you.
All right.
Thanks. Ooh.
There's old Krusty.
Teamwork.
Gosh, I thought you were doing a muscle.
And that.
All right, another shot.
Ready?
Dang, ballin'.
That's
See how good this Amazon special fits.
it. She's a beaut, Clark. You scared me. Like, what are you doing?
We're gonna shove a rag right here. And we're
Are
gonna.
you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Rag it.
We're gonna get that.
Uh-huh.
That tab in.
And you gotta finagle it.
Locked.
Oh, no. Look at there. Wait. Oh, you got it. Nice.
There she blows.
Thanks, Hubs.
So don't overthink it too much. Just gotta bring it in at that specific angle.
Angle.
Jeez.
We're angling in it.
All right. Now.
Do you need me to? Oh no, you got it. Shabuya.
All right.
And
Your bolts.
video stopped recording.
Video did stop recording over there, so missed the end footage, but we're gonna go through this one real quick, get it knocked out for y'all.
Ready?
Tyler. here she is, boys. Clears on the Tahoe. Looking so much better without that busted headlight. Rate us 1 to 10. Fit finish. Amazon $100 clear headlights.
8.
I'm going to say 7. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible. It's hard to complain with a $100 headlight of this caliper, I guess. I mean, they're pretty freaking nice for $100. I'll have a link to them in the description, but don't expect the fitment and the gaps and everything to be absolutely perfect. Definitely should have ditched the orange bulb. It's looking pretty ratchet in there, not gonna lie.
Right now it's fine because we have all the chrome.
Right, there
is
is.
what you said.
She wants to completely rip all the chrome off, take the pinstripe off, the floorboard, or the everything. Pretty much everything that you can take off, the bug guard, all of it. Taking it off. So, and then she's got an accent color that she wants to do powder coat the tow hooks. When we lift it, which we are lifting this one, we're looking at lifts. It's a budget build. We're not putting an FTS or a BDS or anything on there. It's not gonna be crazy, but we do.
Betty.
A Big Betty is what she's calling it.
Big
Betty. All right. So we are lifting it. She's going to start doing more and more and more on her own until the end. Eventually, it's just going to be her doing everything and me just occasionally handing. Did it burn out?
No, I'm talking about you.
What did I say?
Me doing everything.
Oh, yeah. She's going to eventually do it all. Film,
No.
everything. And I'm just going to be there for support because she finds it super bizarre to talk to a camera, which it is. It's genuinely something you got to practice at, or it's just super weird before. So, yeah. But I think you did a lot. You did a lot today. I tried not to intervene too much. I have a hard time. I know it's a problem. I have a hard time not just being like, oh, I can do it faster, or yada, yada.
Well.